Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. ANGELLE here. What it do? Long time no see, right? I know, but I am here with an unboxing. So if you want to see what I got, keep on watching. Okay. Alright you guys, so I haven't purchased a bag since my birthday. Yeah, so like February, it's September. I haven't purchased a single bag, you guys, since February. Yeah, your girl been going through a lot. Okay, so I knew that I wanted to get a few bags, but I've been taking my time, you know, thinking about what I want to get to make sure that what I get is what I really want. I've stopped impulse buying a whole lot. Here's my receipt, you guys. It's my receipt. So this bag was a surprise. What I thought I really wanted when I went and saw it in person, well, first of all, it comes in two sizes. When I saw it in person, I was very underwhelmed, y'all. Very underwhelmed. So I saw this up on the shelf. Well, it wasn't this exact one, but I saw a bag like this up on the shelf and I was like, let me see that. So that's how I wound up with this. Y'all, also, this bag is my Cancerversary. That's what I call it. I'm 1 year, almost, October 1st. I'll be 1 year completely cancer free. So I decided to treat myself. And also, your girl done made president's list at school. I was like, come on, brains. So, yeah, this is like a double special meaning for me, okay? So, let's unbox her. I don't know what this is. Probably not. Oh, she wrote me. Oh, my sales associate wrote me something. Shout out to her. She's a real MVP. Oh my God, that is just the cutest. Oh my God, that was so nice. Oh my God, I have to keep that. That was so thoughtful. So let's unbox this. There's only one person who knows what this is. Forever Ebony. She's the only person. So let's open this. Oh y'all, the new boxes. Y'all, and I'm ashy, Judge your mama. I didn't put on lotion for a reason. Okay, so here it is. And the bag that I got, you guys, is the Speedy Soft 30, the Crafty. Look at her, y'all. Look, she is just the cutest little thing. This is my first Speedy bag. Why I don't have a Speedy, I don't know. But I do plan on changing that very soon. Sit it up here. Oh, look at her, y'all. This is just the cutest. It is truly, y'all, so soft, you guys. So it has the little, what's this, like clochette or whatever? It's red. This little luggage piece right here. This is cute. This is just, y'all, this is so cute. I think because this is a forever bag for me, honestly, I wish, I'm going to see if I can find this in like pink or something. So I would want to change this to pink, and I'm going to go back and get a bandeau. If I can't find, they don't have these in pink or whatever, I know they have like a pink and red bandeau. So that's what I'm going to get to put on the straps or whatever. So open it up. You got the red leather interior. Like, get into her. So she has a full zip back here on the back. This is made in France. So full compartment back here. And I didn't put any lotion on because even though this is pre-treated with shadow, I'm still like, But I like this one way more than the dark. Now, if the dark one that had the black, if that one had gold hardware, all day long. Y'all, all day long, I would have got that one. But I didn't. Here is the shoulder strap. And this fits so comfortable on the kid. Like, so the bag that I went in for, you guys, was the Speedy Trunk 25. Well, the Speedy Trunk, okay? So then I was torn between the 20 and the 25. My store didn't have any 20s to see in person. All they had was the 25. And I looked at the 25. I just knew, y'all. I knew that was the bag I was going to get. And when I looked at it in person, the reverse monogram, it seemed so dull and everything to me. And the people that I see with the, that was the 25. The people that I see with the 20, it appears a lot more shinier and stuff. So I was like, So she was like, oh, we can order it for you so you can see. I was like, I was just so turned off. Maybe I'll try another store and see if they have a 20 and see if the color is different. But if it's dull like that, no. But I saw this was up on the shelf, but the strap, you guys, it was ostrich. So that's what made me like, oh, let me see that. So I went with the Speedy Crafty 30, and this is so cute. Like I said, I'm gonna go back and get a bandeau, a pink one or a pink and red one, if and see if I can find this in pink somewhere. This does have the keys in it. Right there. Here's the bottom. Like, we love this. We love this. So yeah, y'all, I've been doing relatively well. I have recovered for the most part from my car accident. I'm still in school. School's going well. Still trying to get my house together. Y'all, I just be lifing the kid. So yeah, I just wanted to come on here and unbox my latest bag with you all. She is so cute. She is so cute and worth every penny. Because at first, y'all know I saw that price and was like, who? But y'all know I have to think about bags for a very, very, very long time before I spend this type of coin. But I think she is worth every penny. And while I have you all, let me ask y'all a quick question. One moment. Okay, y'all, real quick. So y'all know the last bag that I bought, girl, I haven't used this bag in months, okay? Months, y'all. Still haven't even bought an organizer for it. But the last bag that I bought was the high-rise bum bag, right? Beautiful bag. I haven't worn it, really. Anyway, I stumbled upon a video recently that said that this bag was having issues. And I'm like, excuse me, say what? Have you guys ran into any problems with this bag? Have you all heard of anyone having problems with this bag? Because I'm like, girl, she brand new. She's brand new. So, I don't know. I still love her. I love her dearly. Like, don't get me twisted. Why I haven't worn her? Girl, life. Just life. Just life. That's all. But have you all heard of any problems with this bag? People were saying that they were having problems with the luggage tag. Something on the back was just falling off. And I'm like, huh? Focus, girl. But mine has just been in this box in the closet, y'all, for months. I haven't even apple guarded it yet. Like, I need to get on that ASAP Rocky. But yeah, I just had to ask you all, focus, girl. She don't even want to focus. Oh my God, today. There you go. Girl, she didn't want to focus. But yeah, I just wanted to ask you all, have you all heard of any problems with this bag? Because I love her. Alright, you guys, so that pretty much concludes this unboxing. I'm thinking, y'all, should I get an insert for this? I've only seen like 2 people say that they have an insert for their bag, but it's the Murakami one. So I don't know, should I get an insert for this? Let me know. But anyway, you guys, that concludes my quick little unboxing. I hope you all are doing well. I'll have a few more unboxings before the year is out. Girl, we got some making up to do. Yes, ma'am. I love you guys so very much for watching, for rocking with the kid. And I will see you all very soon in my next video. Bye.